These are my puzzle boxes that I made. In this video, I will be showing you how to solve them. So first, you take this box, this safe, and you need to put in the right color code. If you put in the wrong one, like now, you cannot pull the box out. But if you put in the right code, which is the gold on the left and the clear on the right, you can open it. So now we've got this little box. If we go to this other puzzle box, you'll find out that there's a little hole and nothing else around the whole box. So this little black box that we just took out, it's got a little secret key right here that you can take out. And this fits right in to the hole. Which when you push it in all the way, the top part comes out and out slides the golden brick. Thanks for listening. I'll show you how it works next week.